Now recognize Honorable Councilor John Nicky P. Soto. You may now take the floor.
To our dear presiding officer, Honorable Vice Mayor Rondon M. Mercado, to our dear colleagues, our SB Secretary, SB staff, and our guests, good morning po. I stand here today to talk about the Minaleño Top-Notchers in the board and bar examination. The province of Pampanga has implemented Ordinance Number 764, an ordinance instituting the expanded educational financial assistance program of the province of Pampanga, providing continuing annual appropriation of funds therefore and other purposes. As part of this ordinance, all top board and bar passers will be given a cash incentives. Likewise, the municipal government of Minalin deemed it necessary to enact an ordinance in line with the provincial government policy of giving cash incentives to excellent students who are included on top 10 board passers list of the bachelor's degree professional licensure examination governed by the professional regulatory boards of the Professional Regulation Commission o PRC. Through these cash incentives, we are building the morale of our Minaleño students to pursue and achieve more in their lives, as they serve as a manifestation of their sacrifices and hardships. With this, we are inspiring the young generation to value education as a significant tool in reaching their aspirations and dreams, discounting all their personal hindrances and challenges. To give due merit and appreciation to the pride and honor these students have brought to their own families and to our locality by their exemplary achievements. The local government unit of Minalin shall acknowledge them through appropriate recognition and cash incentives. As a committee chairman on education, I propose the ordinance, a municipal ordinance institutionalizing the granting of recognition and cash incentives to Minaleño top-notchers in the board and bar examination and appropriating funds therefore. It will be an ordinance upon approval. With my intention about Minaleño top-notchers, I seek unity and cooperation to all, and eventually it will create more recognition about young generation in our town, Minalin. At pangatwa po, yung request ko pong resolution nung last session po, resolution appealing to the sense of benevolence of the Honorable Ramon Bong Revilla, Senator of the Republic of the Philippines, for the upgrading and concreting of various barangay roads in Minalin, Pampanga in the amount of 50 million pesos. Ito po kasi minunang megawa pong resolution, only 20 million po ing milage keta pong may approve. So paksabi kayo po na iyabiya po po taking calendar of business ini pong resolution. Dakal pong dakala, salamat, God bless po kaya kayungan.
Thank you very much, Honorable Councilor John Nicky P. Soto. First thing, the chair would like to tackle about the municipal ordinance institutionalizing the granting of recognition and cash incentive to Minaleño top-notchers. The chair is impressed by this proposal. I must say it's a good one. I will recognize Honorable Francisco G. Flores Jr.
The proponent of the resolution, how much are we going in your proposed resolution ba yan? Ordinance.
Please give the amount, the proposed amount.
Okay po. The proposed amount po, top-notchers awardee shall be entitled to receive the cash grant in such amount indicated as follows po. Top 1 po, receive 50,000 pesos. Top 2, 45,000 pesos. Top 3 board bar exam passers 40,000. Top 4 35,000 po. Top 5 30,000. Top 6 25,000 and top 7 20,000 po. Top 8 15,000 pesos. Top 9 10,000 pesos and top 10 board bar exam passer is 5,000 pesos po.
Thank you, Councilor. Any other comment? So there's a motion to include this matter in the calendar of business for approval. Any objection? Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. On the matter of the ordinance, this will be referred to the Committee on Appropriation and Education. Okay? So order. Next, committee report. Committee report number 1 is a joint meeting of the Committee on Religious Matters, Civic Affairs, Tourism, and Committee on Education, Culture, and Information. Who would like to have the report? Committee Chairman on Education, Honorable Jan Nicky P. Soto, is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. The Committee on Education, Culture, and Information, Committee on Religious Matters, Civic Affairs, and Tourism conducted its second public hearing of the proposed an ordinance declaring Colonel Bernardo Poblete, aka Commander Banal, and Elena Poblete, aka Commander Mameng, as a local heroes of the municipality of Minalin, province of Pampanga, and for the creation of a legacy marker and monument in memory and honor of our local heroes. With the committee recommending the third and final public hearing for further study. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
So we will have another committee meeting for this
Yes,
one.
po.
Thank you very much. Proposed item number 5. What's the pleasure of Honorable Jan Nicky P. Soto?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. For the motion for approval for the item number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, Mr. Presiding Officer.
5 na yan.
Yes po.
The proponent move to approve the proposed item number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Any second? Seconded by Honorable Edmond Villacenza. Any objection? Hearing no objection, the proposed item number 5, 6, 7, and 8, these are all a resolution, has been approved. Resumption of the rules, please.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Wait, there's one more. The 50 million for Senator Revilla, no?
Yes po.
Isasama natin sa approval na.
Yes po.
Okay, kasama
item
na yon
number 10.
for approval this resolution. Okay. Let it be recorded on our business. Okay. Resumption of rules. Honorable Carolique Didaag is recognized.
Since there are no other matters to discuss in today's regular session, may I respectfully move for the adjournment?
Honorable Carolique Didaag move to adjourn the regular session. Any seconded by Honorable Francisco G. Flores. Any objection? Thank you. Here's none. The motion is approved. The 21st regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan is hereby adjourned.